Montreal and suburbs. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. Winds southwest 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40. High 24. The UV index for today is 9 or very high. For tonight, partly cloudy with 30% chance of showers this evening, then clear. Winds southwest 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, becoming light this evening. Low 16. For Thursday, mainly sunny. Winds becoming southwest 20 kilometers per hour near noon. High 24. Today, air quality good. For tonight, air quality good. For Thursday, air quality good. The outlook, Friday, sunny. Low 17, high 26. For Saturday, sunny. Low 17, high 29. For Sunday, sunny. Low 18, high 30. For Monday, sunny. Low 19, high 29. For Tuesday, sunny. Low 20, high 30. Normals for the period, low 16, high 26.
Vous écoutez présentement Radio Météo Canada, diffusant sur la fréquence de 162,55 MHz à partir de l'antenne